Good day. This is the video report of Food 4, and the assigned topic for us is the training and development program of the three officials of the ASEAN Center. First, the head of administrative officer for proposed training and development activities is to participate in leadership, management, and management training courses, seminars, and workshops. To be trained in strategic leadership in the ASEAN context and practice quality management. And attend an online webinar on ASEAN affairs and regional integration to learn change management techniques for the center have a deeper understanding of the role of the manager and enhance decision making. The company that offers related training developmental programs are the Philippine Youth Leadership Program, and the requirement budget for them is 10,000. The YSEALLI Manila, the requirement budget for them is 80,000. 180,000. For Breakthrough Leadership Management Consultancy Incorporated, the allotted budget for them is 10,000. The AIB training, the requirement budget for them is 10,000. The AIB training, the requirement budget for them is 10,000. Apply to foreign language courses, practice to foreign language enrichment exercise, or the FLEX, to improve the communication and listening skills to effectively communicate in the international setting to enhance the cognitive skills. The companies that offers the related training development program is the CEBAS Language Center. The requirement budget for them is 5,000. The Polyglot, the requirement budget for them is 5,000. The TESDA, the requirement budget for them is 2,000. To join management training seminars, the proposed training and development activities is to join the project management training seminars to develop skills in managing ASEAN-related to project management training in the Philippines. The requirement budget for them is 2,000. The attend mandatory coaching program and training to gain proper knowledge and have the competency to mentor your staff for this career development. The company that offers related training and development program for the programs is the Push Transformation. The requirement budget for them is 2,000. The Advanced Learning Program, or the ALPS, the requirement budget for them is 2,000. Apply to financial management budget, management and control courses to master good financial management, planning, monitoring, and controlling of the budget. The company that offers related training development programs is the Knowledge Academy. The requirement budget for them is 2,000. Next is the Administrative Officer 1. The proposed training and development activities is to join the simulation training, e-learning, or collaborative training to enhance the human resources management skills, customer service training. The benefits of training and development programs is to lead the HR function, foster to influence in the community, analyzing the performance matrix, and the align HR strategy to organizational goals. To enhance the customer service training is to enhance the skills in providing the exceptional service to residents and stakeholders. A company that offers the related training and the development program is the CHRMPA, or HR HR Training Institute, the required budget for them is 3,000. For the milestone skills management training, the required budget for them is 2,000. The participate online in the ASEAN Digital and Technological Literacy Program is to improve the technological skills and the competence to combat misinformation and the misinformation efficiently. The joining communication skills training courses is to improve the communication and listening skills to effectively communicate in the international settings. The company that offers the related training development program are the ICT literacy and the competency development bureau. The CABS Data Center. The requirement budget for the ICT is 2,000. For the CEBAS language centers, the required budget for them is 2,000. The polyglot, the requirement budget for them is 2,000. For the TESDA, the requirement budget for them is 2,000. The administrative assistant one, nakapay ba? The administrative assistant one is the proposed training and development things for them is to join the signature training, e-learning and collaborative training to enhance the human resource management skills. Okay, so ito na ulit. Okay.
So the other officers for the SIA Center are the administrative assistant one and administrative officer one. So we propose the same training development for these two because they have the same competencies for the organization for the center. So the proposed training development activities for these two is they must join the simulation training, e-learning or collaborative training to enhance human resource management skills. This training helps them to lead the HR function, foster influence in the community, analyze performance metrics, and align HR strategies to organizational goals. So the CHRMP HR Training Institute offers this kind of training which only requires an estimated budget of 3,000. Next is the customer service training. This training helps these officers to enhance their skills in providing exceptional service to ASEAN stakeholders. So milestone skills management training offers this kind of training and requires an estimated budget of 2,000. Next is these two must participate online in the ASEAN Digital and Technological Literacy Program to improve their technological skill and competence and combat misinformation and disinformation efficiently. ICT literacy and competency development bureau requires estimated 2,000 budget. Lastly is they must join in communication skills training courses to improve their communication and listening skills and effectively communicate in the international setting. So the company that offers this related training and developmental programs are the CABAS Language Center, which requires an estimated budget of 2,000, Polyglot, which requires an estimated budget of 2,000, and Technical, Educational, and Skills Development Authority, or TESDA, which also requires 2,000. So these training developmental programs for the HR head administrative officer 4 and administrative assistant 1 and administrative officer 1 helps them to improve their competencies in serving the ASEAN. So that's all. Thank you.